What's up friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on exercise mode on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So go ahead and swipe up and tap on settings, then under modes and routines tap on that, right? So from here you'll be able to find exercise. You can tap on the exercise, and as you see here you can turn on exercise when you start exercising so that you can focus, right, and limit yourself from distraction, right? So go ahead and tap on start here. From here you can basically enable this during the exercise, so you can open the Samsung Health and have that set as well. You can do app open as well. You can basically go here and you can play around with these settings and set it up as well. Now once you're, I'm going to simply click on skip for now. From here you can also go ahead and do the do not disturb. You can enable do not disturb. Once you enable do not disturb, obviously you will not be distracted with call or messages, and also you can also set it for app notification so that you can allow or disable a few applications if you so desire. Once you're finished, just simple tap on done, simple click on next. You can choose to play music, so you can choose what to do during exercise mode. So you can play music, you can have media volume, and you can also do sound modes and volume. Once you're finished, just simple tap on done and you customize your app. Then all you have to do is just turn it on and your phone will now be in exercise mode so that you can use it. Once you're finished guys, you can simply tap on turn off and your phone go back to its normal state. And that's all there is to it. Very easy app, very useful app that you can use while doing exercise. Very useful feature. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this app and this feature, and let me know if you find it useful. Thank you very much guys for watching. See you next time.